Freedom for me is a very important part of life. It means having your own right to choose your occupation, activity, to have your own opinion and express it. In my life, freedom allows me to be myself, not to hide my identity. That's why it's important to me. Mikhail Yefimovich is from the generation of my grandparents, the generation that is called the children of four. He was born in a simple, large family. After graduating from school, he entered the university that he chose himself. At the age of 24, he became the chief veterinarian of the Zhigatsky district. From the memoirs of М.Е.Николаева, I always looked and felt older. I saw the line of my life quite clearly. Back in my college years, I freely decided, first I will work on my specialty, gain knowledge of life and people, then come some more party work. I live in the theater city of Nurba. I watched the performance of the Nurba State Mobile Drama Theater, Doesn't Matter. The play shows the life and work of the Soviet statesman and party leader, an active participant in the struggle for the establishment of Soviet power in Yakutia, Maxim Kirovich Amosov. I learned a lot about the time in which a man lived who laid a strong foundation for the development of the economy and science, education and culture of the Republic. At the end of the performance, there is a very interesting move invented by the director. The image of Maxim Amosov smoothly flows into the image of М.Е.Николаева. The director of the play, Yuri Makarov, said, "One of the important features of Maxim Amosov is that in his work he relied not only on the works of Vladimir Lenin, Karl Marx and other ideologist figures, but saw the future of the Sakha people in the works of the great Yakut writers. Therefore, he is close to the people. The first president of the Republic, Mikhail М.Е.Николаева, also worked embodying the idea of our great thinkers and writers." Maxim Amosov and М.Е.Николаева are similar not only in appearance but also in characters. They were brought up in the sincere love of their mothers, were greedy for knowledge, were not afraid of physical work, were strong-willed, free-spirited people, lived and worked for the benefit of their people until the last day. The difficulties of the life taught them independence, the ability to appreciate people's work, the ability to analyze, deep reflection on life, everyday life from a young age. We have passed all the stages of leadership positions. Maxim Amosov played a decisive role in the formation of the Yakut Autonomous Soviet Socialist Republic and in the formation of the statehood of Yakutia. Mikhail Yefimovich in the 90s became the founder of the new Sakha Republic. Yakutia survived the difficult years of reconstruction and began its development path. Our republic is developing very rapidly now. During Mikhail Yefimovich Nikolaev, our first president, the man who chose freedom.